okay, then click on just confirm for get withdraw. So here you can see profit list. So we received. Go back to FastPay. So here you can see I received TRX successful. So website is legit. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you all are fine. So today's video about an unlimited TRX best investment product in 2022 and 6 to 11% per day of your TRX amount, and you can earn suitable income at home without any work and offline. So guys, this is the huge opportunity in 2022 to earn suitable income, and I will show you the payment proof of website as well. Website is legit. So now you have required website link given in description. You can go from there. So now you have required your account. So first off, create your account. So you have required your mobile number, then login password, then security password, invitation codes, then solve here captcha. Then just click on sign up for create account. After creating account, log in your account. So here is the latest announcement of website. You can read it. It is informative and I will also describe in video. So now on sign up you will get 8000 TRX. It's a huge amount. No one will give you. So now I will introduce the website. So here you can see the website platform and their memberships. And here you can see the global partners of the website. So website is legit and approval. So now I will show you their projects, how website work and how you can earn. So now here is the mining product which you want to get 5 to 200 TRS. You will receive 3% every day of your income. Then 200 to 5000 TRS you get 4% every day. And here are some others you want to get. Then here is the duration of your project: 3 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days or 360 days. So project have 5 cycles. So now here you can see the income. So then go back. So now how to get withdraw. So first of all you have activate your account. So just click on deposit. So here you have required deposit first. You can deposit minimum 5 to 200 TRX. So just click on investment amount. So if you don't have a TRX, so I will tell you in this video how to swap coins. You can convert coins from other currency. So you must use your TRX address and TRX coin. Then minimum is 5 TRX. So just copy your address. Then go to your wallet address. So if you don't have FastPay wallet, link in description. You can go from there, create your wallet. Then open your wallet. So I will show you how to deposit. So first of all, link address which you copied from deposit. So now put your address of website where you deposit. Then give your label. So TRX this website name. Then select currency TRX. Then just link. So link has been linked successfully. So now invest on it. So go to the withdraw. So now pay instant in 5 minutes. So select your currency TRX. So select your link which you here save in our withdraw section. So here you can see TRX base I save. So select it and put here your amount. So minimum is 5 to 200 TRX which you want. You can invest here. So now I am investing 50 TRX. So 2 TRX is fee. So place withdrawal. So successfully TRX sent. So just wait for 5 minutes or less to get process. So now I will show you how to swap your coin. So just click on trade. Here you can see the coin swap. Just click on coin swap. So now if you have any currency, so select that currency, then put here your amount, then convert to TRX, then just select on next exchange. You will exchange your TRX, your coin exchange into TRX, so you can deposit easily. So now let's check we received or not. So here you can see we received our TRX coin. So now our account is activated. So now we can get withdraw. So just click on withdraw. So here you can see daily withdrawal limit is 1.44 TRX. So we can get now our withdraw. So just select your wallet, main wallet, income wallet or financial wallet. So just select main wallet. So put here your amount which you want to get withdraw, 1.44 TRX. Then put here your TRX address which you want to get withdraw. Go to your account, any account, and copy your TRX wallet address. Copy address, then back to the website, paste your address. Now give your security code, login code. Okay, then click on just confirm for get withdraw. So now withdraw successful. Here you can see the transaction. So here you can see profit list. So we received. Go back to Fazat Pay. So here you can see I received TRX successful. So website is legit. You can earn passive income at home without any work. Just invest first time. So now here is the to a wallet account, then promotional account. So wallet account is your earning, and promotional account when you invite your friends, your friend invest, and you will get income. So you can activate your account from trading. So click on just trading. So now you will get daily 6% of your income. So you can get receive from here. After 24 hours you will get your TRX. Then click on receive. You will get your TRX in your account. So here is the investment options. So here is a duration and the percent you want to get any one product. Then you will see here your invested list. So just wait. Now you can invite your friends from here, share and copy your referral link. You can share on your Facebook, Instagram or any social app which you use. You can invite friends more and more and get more commission. So your commission will be transferred to your promotion account and you can get withdraw also from here. So website have a application. You can also use application and you can make your team to earn more and more. So it's depend on level. So your friend have a more level, you can earn more commission. Like level 3 you can earn 10% your commission. So website is legit. I recommended you can invest easily, so trustable. Now if you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.